Hello! In this video, I will demonstrate how to download and use the uGroups mobile app. First, go to the App Store, iTunes App Store for Apple users and the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for Union College uGroups. This app is free to install. Open the app. Select Union College uGroups. Enter your school email address. They will email you a code within a few minutes. Enter the code and you will be logged in. Once you are logged in, you can access your uGroups account. The feed is where people can post information. There are often listings for jobs, housing, and different opportunities on campus. This view combines the feeds of all the groups you belong to. The school places important information for the whole campus here, so be sure to check often. You can filter the posts by selecting the top buttons. You can choose between these options. Scroll to the left to view more. If you want to make a post, click Write a New Post. You can attach any appropriate photos or media here. Please only post appropriate, relevant information or questions. There are also individual group feeds you can utilize to post in. Use a group feed when the information is only relevant to that group. To edit your notification settings, select the bell icon in the top right corner. Click the setting icon. Here you can edit your preferences to whatever suits you. The green bar means it is on or active, and the gray dot means that the notification is turned off. You can use uGroups to chat with people. To start a chat, select the plus in the top right corner. On the Events tab, you can stay up to date with everything happening at Union. Information about worship, ASB events, athletics, and more can be found here. You can look at the events in a list view, calendar, or see what events you have registered for. On the Groups page, you can look at all of the different groups on campus that you are part of or explore what is available to join. If you want to join a group, select the Search and Join icon in the top right corner. Select the group or groups you want to join. Finally, select the blue Finish button. In the More section, you can find useful tools and information. The directory can be used to search for students. The QR code and scanner are used for checking into events. You can access your profile and settings by clicking your name at the top. Select the settings icon in the top right corner to edit your profile. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact uGroups Help with the information on the screen. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.